I'm here today with the MTDCNC team. We've taken a quick stop on the way. We could not resisting this amazing lake in the foothills of Snowdon, or Iwithfa, as they say here. We've been invited by Rodgers of CMZ UK to come and see Vixen CNC, who are producing some incredible parts, including anything to do with mountaineering and these amazing carabiners and pulleys and everything else that you could wish for. Today we are at Vixen CNC in Llanberis. I have the absolute pleasure of being here with Rodgers from CMZ UK. Welcome to Llanberis.
Hello.
Your journey is an interesting one, because it feels like you've been friends with these guys for forever. But in actual fact, the journey starts with this Gantry machine, but less than a year ago.
Absolutely. You look at the progress we made here in Vixen CNC over a short period of time. They're now starting to reap the rewards and the benefits for working with CMZ.
They really are, aren't they? You've got, how many machines have you got in with them? It started with this one, but they bought quickly.
Yeah, so in total we've got 5. We'll start off with this one. So we have the TTL, which is a 6666. So that's the bore capacity through the spindle. But you can also see that it's actually equipped also with a gantry.
This is quite a beast, isn't it? So
Absolutely.
just show me quickly inside here of what we've got. So we've got the billet in here.
Yeah.
And the beauty of this is we've just walked around this space and there's no robot.
Absolutely. So the gantry itself
mean?
offers its own benefits. So you're not waiting for the robot to open the door, load the parts and so on. It's in real time preparing to load the machine.
Yeah.
As soon as the machine's ready, it's loading the part. So there's a lot of time saving to have on a gantry.
Brilliant, you don't have to open the doors, the parts are moved in and out. It's a bit of a beast. What weight does this carry? It's a 20, so does that mean 20 kg?
That's right. So this is the GL20
Yeah.
within the range. So it's 20 kilograms capacity. So that allows 2 components at 10 kilograms. We actually can go up to 100 kilograms on the bigger platform machine, but that might be for another day.
That's for another day. Let's keep moving around the factory because we've got a few bits and pieces to look at.
Yeah.
It started off, I thought, it's a bit of a TARDIS. It's like sort of me thinking that this was quite a small place, but honestly, it's just grows. So we've got the gantry, TTL there. We've got another couple of TTLs here as well. Is that right?
Absolutely, yes. So
close.
come and look. These are exactly the same machine,
Right.
but they're only equipped with the bar feeds. So if you actually look at the gantry machine over there, that's the gantry and bar feed. So you've got the best of both worlds. You've got the benefits of using a bar feed. You've also got the option and the benefit of using the gantry on the right-hand side.
Actually, let's come this way. Let's have a look at this, because it's also something you pointed out that I really love.
Yeah.
Just quickly, all these are made on CMZs.
As you can see, CMZ manufacturing holders ranging from live tooling and static. These are completely manufactured in our facility in Spain. They're available daily on our online store.
So CMZ for CMZs.
Absolutely.
Talking about availability, I love the fact that it's a European, in fact, a Basque country manufacturer.
Yep.
So this is going to create all sorts of good stuff like cheaper transport costs, availability, lead times. Tell me a little bit more. I mean, look at this. This has just come off one of these TTLs. We have 2 TTLs here.
Yep.
So this has come off here. We have a whole basket of these.
Yes.
As well.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit more about that.
Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of automation going off them, and they need lights out production. You'll see that the lights is equal in green. Green equals money.
Oh yeah, I love the green.
Absolutely, everybody loves the green. But just varying the difference in the machines is you have a gantry over there, including also a bar feed, and you've got the 2 machines here which are bar fed.
Right, and these are TTLs.
Absolutely.
And on this we've got a pulley. This actually leads into where we are, because we are in the middle of this is like the pièce de résistance in terms of mountaineering.
Yes.
And this is like the capital of mountaineering here.
Yes.
So we're going to go from this piece of equipment, which is the pulley, which is essential for climbing equipment on the TTL for CMZ, to the TTS, which we have around here. Put my back to you. We have got some more sophisticated parts produced on the TTS series of CMZ, which you're going to give us some more benefits in a minute. And this, you climbers will recognise as part of one of these, carabiner, which I'm told about. So, in essence, CMZ's pretty special organisation, pretty unique. Tell me why.
It's a family-run company. It originates out of the Basque country.
Love that.
And on that is that it's got its own benefits which come alongside that. lead times, the build of the machines. We talk about the live turrets and the capacities. But every one of our machines have got their integral motors. They've got regenerative motors as well, which has its own power consumption benefits.
Massive benefits, isn't it?
It's a very family-orientated company, and you can see that.
Through and through, can't you?
Yeah.
It's amazing. And this gives you, and going on to the TTS, one final word on this one. There's some special ingredients. One of this one is the rigidity.
Absolutely, yeah.
There was another couple of words that you told me as well earlier.
I'd say that the footprint is really small. Because of the footprint, it also packs a punch, along with power and performance. Hence, one of the reasons why Vixen have diversified to go to this type of machining platform.
Yeah.
Because what they've used previously got them to where they were.
Where they were before,
Yeah.
and now what we've got is, there's a pretty special future coming up for Vixen and for CMZ.
Absolutely, and going over to our facilities in Spain, there's a lot of investment happening, a lot of acquisitions with land, but also technology which is on the horizon as well. So that self-sustainability, as we are now, that's going to grow.
Loads more to come.
Absolutely.
Watch this space.